Hi, my name is Sarah Gonzalez, and I'm going to be going over some key concepts that I have enjoyed learning over the course of my education 407. The YouTube channel and screencasting. As many of us know, YouTube is a feature that is now being used in classrooms to help record lectures for students that now can access once they are home. This is amazing. One reason is for students who forget lectures or parts of the lectures. Once it is time to do the homework, they can just go onto YouTube and rewatch the lecture and kind of refresh their minds on key parts and anything they have forgotten in the lecture during class. Another tool to help create these videos will be screencasting, which the website is screencastomatic.com, which is free, easy to use, and what I use for what I'm doing now in this video here. So that was just an example of something I did of both screencasting and using the YouTube channel for. Sorry about that. Coding. Coding is the brief description of the process of assigning a code to something for classification or identification. With it, code can extend the knowledge of creating a website or app that will constantly progress as time technology progresses as well. Next is the digital etiquette. I'm sure as many of us, I grew up on treat those how you like to be treated. Um, and I has mentioned that technology is becoming more and more involved in our lives. So, digital etiquette is pretty much the individual's conduct online and in their use of technology. The reason for this is because of cyberbullying. However, with the interaction of being online, cyberbullying has become more common than the traditional bullying, which is why the teaching of how to act online must be taught early to prevent higher percentages of youth taking part in cyberbullying. 25 to 30% have already reported that they have taken part in this cyberbullying. Next is the flipped classroom. As a lesson we did in the beginning, it is a term that has been more commonly known during the COVID pandemic as schooling was moved to online. Teaching model that delivers instruction at home through interactive teacher created videos and moves homework to the classroom. Copyright. Copyright term is the legal protection that owners of material have over its use and distribution. Fair use is the exception to copyright law that allows educators, journalists, and artists to use small portions of copyrighted works for educational and artistic purposes. And I have included a link that goes more into detail on copyrights. QR codes, abbreviation is quick response, is a tool used to take you to a specific digital destination. These here are websites on a few that create a QR code, which is very easy to do once you're on those websites. And lastly, we have Movie Maker. I thought it was a great resource to make lecture or lesson more fun for students rather than PowerPoint. Like right now, I'm using Prezi. It's more animated and it has a more fun feel to it. Here are some examples that I received from my professor, and so far, I believe Story Jumper was my favorite. So those are some key terms and concepts and just resources that I have enjoyed using throughout this course. Thank you.